Section number 10, Shadow Analysis. Lecture number 2nd, Shadow Analysis and Inter-row Spacing, Part 2nd. Learning objectives of lecture number 2nd. Learner should able to understand model of inter-row spacing between solar panel. Learner should able to understand formula of shadow length. Interspacing between the row or the inter-row spacing, we calculate this by a simple formula, that is L is equals to H upon tan A, where L is the minimum distance between the row, H is the height differential between the top of one row and the bottom of the row to the north, A is the solar altitude angle. Basically, we will learn this formula by this simple diagram. A tree is on a horizontal position with a ground. A tree is having a length, that length is h, that is nothing but the height of a tree. Whenever a sun is having the altitude angle is a, this throws this radiation over this tree, the tree gets an shadow, and this shadow is on the horizontal position. So basically the angle between these rays and the angle between this ground, this triangular angle is A, and this A angle is the solar altitude angle. So the length of a shadow we can easily calculate by the formula H upon tan A, where H is the height of entry and A is the altitude angle. Same formula is applicable for the solar panel also. So whenever we are deciding the inter-row spacing between the row, so we should focus that the first row of a solar panel should not give a shadow over the second row of a solar panel. So while installing the solar panel row wise, we have to do first a shadow analysis between the inter-row spacing of a row. Calculation of shadow length and inter-row spacing. There is one simple formula. Example, the elevation angle is plus 54 at 9 am and minus of 54 at 3 pm. Assume an obstruction of a tree at a height of 10 feet. Let's say we are mounting a solar panel and there is an obstruction of a tree. Whenever that altitude angle is 54 at 9 am and minus of 54 at 3 pm, that time the height of an tree has been given as 10 feet. So we are going to calculate the length of a shadow. Calculate the shadow length. The formula is L upon H. L is equals to H upon tan A, where L is equals to 10 feet divided by tan of 54 degree, where 54 is an altitude angle or solar altitude angle. The answer comes 7.27 feet. So the inter-row spacing between the two PV rows should be more than or should be equal to 7.27 feet. Model of inter-row spacing between solar panel. So let's say this one solar panel having the angle of inclination or tilt angle is beta. So whenever a sun is falling his rays at a particular altitude angle, the solar panels gives a shadow up to this length, where D is the length of a shadow. The shadow angle is given with a denomination of gamma. So we have to mount a second row of a panel by considering the shadow length of a first row. So the tilted module tilt angle beta width is equals to W, and inter-row spacing is the D value or nothing but the shadow length of a first panel. Backtracking of solar module according to the solar azimuth. Backtracking when the sun's elevation angle is low in the sky, early or late in the day, self-shading between tracker rows has the potential to dramatically reduce the system output. In the first diagram, sun falling his rays over the first panel, the shadow of an first panel is throws on the next second panel. The shadow of a second panel is on the third panel, like that. So due to the shading of this panel, there is a less electricity generation from this panel, and also the efficiency of a system is also less due to the shading of the panel. So basically backtracking is a method that backtracking rotates the array aperture away from the sun, eliminating the deleterious effect of self shading and maximizing the power output. So basically the first is this condition. So what we are doing, we are just rotating the panel about its aperture, about its axis. So whenever sun falls its radiation, the shadow length is up to this only. So the shadow of the first panel is not falling on the second. Shadow of an second panel is not falling on the third. Shadow of an third panel is not falling on the fourth panel, and due to which there is a efficient system running and more electricity generated from this backtracking method.